Damn! Knock in the doors, lock up the city, mark down, search the town, and be quick about it. Now! How the devil do I ever fail when I'm only a man? I can never be duped by that scurrilous phantom again. I wasn't born to walk on water. I wasn't born to sack and slaughter. But on my soul I wasn't born to stoop to sport, to knuckle under. A man who learned to steal his thunder. A man who learned to work some wonder. But when the gauntlet's down, it's time to rise and climb the sky. And soon the moon will smolder and the winds will dry. Yes, a man grows older, but his soul remains alive. Almost when the stars still glitter, and I will survive. Let my heart grow colder and as bitter as a falcon in the dive. There was a dream, a dying ember. There was a dream I don't remember, but I will resurrect that dream. The rivers stream and hills grow steeper. Here in hell where life gets cheaper. Here in hell the blood runs deeper. And when the final jewel is near, I'll lift my spear and fly, piercing into the sky and higher. And the strong will thrive. Yes, the weak will cower, while the fittest will survive if we wait for the darkest hour till we spring alive. Then with claws of fire we devour like a falcon in the tide. These are the days, yes, days of glory, days of rage, and the dream of Paris praise on my bones, gnawing night and day and clawing through my brain. And no, never kneel, never bend, rend to bits, but now the beauty of the fight. I am not meant to hunger for blood, but the spirit can cry beyond the transfierce and fly, piercing into the sky. And the strong will thrive. Yes, the weak will cower, and the fittest will survive. We wait in the darkest hour till we spring alive. Then with claws of fire we devour like a falcon in the dark.